Hi, I'm David Dorn with Men's Performance Clinic. Sometimes guys will ask me, aren't the clinics that do the treatment for erectile dysfunction for guys pretty much all the same? The answer is no. And let me tell you what we do at Men's Performance Clinic that's different than any place else I know of and why our guys get really good results. We want to figure out why you're having a problem with erections. It's usually because of a couple different things. Either low hormone levels, testosterone levels are not what they used to be, or there's issues with blood flow. By determining what's happening for you, we do comprehensive blood testing, we do a complete evaluation, and our medical team are experts in understanding why you're having a problem with your erections and then creating a customized solution to help you get great results. So the answer is all clinics are not the same. What we do here is, I think, state of the art, and there's a reason why our guys get great results. We can help you. So please, if you have questions about how it works, what we do, how we can help you, call me. Thank you.